Hey guys, I'm here at Shea Homes in Mira Mesa, brand new townhouses for sale. I'm gonna show you the 3 plans that we have today and stick around with me. So plan 3 is the biggest plan. It is 4 bedroom and 3.5 bath. You do have the security system as you walk into the property. You're welcomed by hardwood floor, I believe. And then you have a bedroom on the 4th floor with windows facing outside. You do have a closet area too, right there. You have an area where you can put all of your shoes, and you do have a bathroom and a full shower on the 4th floor. Let me turn on the lights for you guys. So this is what it looks like on the 1st floor. You have a 1st bed, a 1st bath. And I believe this is supposed to be the garage. They don't have anything here yet, but this should be the garage for the other units. You have the security system right there for the home, and I'm going to be walking upstairs right now. You have a carpet walking up. The tax rate is 1.23 per year of the cost of the home, and this is your living area. I really like this living area because it's a corner unit. You have wind throughout the living area and a balcony as well. Let me show it to you. Okay, so I cannot show you because it won't open, but this is the view that you have from your living area on the 2nd floor. As we walk into the kitchen, it is a pretty open kitchen. You have new appliances and it feels very good. New cabinets since it is a new built home. All the appliances are brand new. It's very open, feels very fresh, very nice flooring. You do have another bathroom on the 2nd floor and an area where you can store some of your clothing. And as we go upstairs to the 3rd and final level, that is where all the other bedrooms and all the other living area is. So you walk up, you have another bathroom, full bathroom and shower with a window. And then as you walk in, you have the 1st bedroom, which is currently staged beautifully. And the rooms are pretty spacious. So let's go to the other area. You do have space between the 2 rooms. So you can have a playground area here for the kids, a theater area, up to you, to the new owners. Walk in, let's see, this is your brand new washer. And I believe this is going to be the master. Yes, this is going to be the master bedroom with the windows right there. It is a corner lot unit, so it's gonna get plenty more sunlight coming in. It is very nice, brand new construction here in Mira Mesa with sunlight coming in throughout. Another closet area right here in between the 3 and 4 bedrooms. So we're gonna go downstairs right now to see the 2nd plan because there are 3 plans in this specific bedroom count. So this is what it looks like. This is the corner unit that we just saw, and I'm going to be showing you this unit right here and that unit right there as well. So let's see the 2nd unit with brand new ACs. You do have plan 1 right here. It's a 3 bed, 3.5 bath, just over 1,500 square feet. So the front door is visible, but of course you can cover it up. You do have an office area, or if you wanted to, you could potentially convert it to another bedroom. And very similar to the other unit that we just saw, you do have another full bath and shower on the 4th floor with an area where you can put all of your shoes and a closet area. As we come upstairs, you're greeted on the halfway with another bathroom. And then the living area is on the 2nd floor with the full kitchen and a closet area right there. You do have great appliances, different color than we just saw. I personally really like this color more, but everybody in their own taste. Very similar appliances. You do have the LEDs underneath the cabinets. They did a really good job here with the new builds. You do have the accent wall, which I really like. This is the area for the TV. You do have area here where you can come outside, and it's not going to be opening. That's totally fine, but you do get sunlight throughout the day coming into your property. And then we're going to be going to the 3rd floor right now. You have another great window over here, and I believe they do come with solar in the area. Great schools too, so if you have kids, it's a perfect area because it's very hard to find properties under 1 million, especially single family homes. This is I think 3rd bathroom that we have seen so far with a shower. This is where we just came from. The stairs, I believe this is the washer and the dryer. Yes, it is. washer and dry in unit, and then we'll walk into the master, which has really nice views of the mountains. It is really pretty. Walk into your own closet, which I think this is a bigger closet than we just saw on the other unit. Wow, look at this master. Let me turn on the light. This master is beautiful. Dual sink, beautiful cabinets and vanity overall. Big shower and a bathroom with a window. This is the second unit that we have seen, and we have one more unit left in this collection of 3 to 4 bedrooms. If you are interested in moving to Mira Mesa to this new build homes, you have to register first. There's a priority list, so if you are interested, feel free to reach out to me. So we're gonna go open this door right now. It is very quiet in this area. That's something that I really like about this new build area. As we walk into the last one, actually. So this unit is planned to just over 1,600 square feet, 3 bed, 3.5 bath. Let's walk in. So when you come in, you do have the security system outside, which is amazing. And then as you walk in, you have stairs going upstairs. But before we go upstairs, let me show you the first floor. So on the first floor, you have the first bedroom, which surprisingly has a patio area right here, so you can sit outside if you're interested, and you can cover it up too. You have a bathroom and a shower on the first floor, with a shower right here for the bedroom downstairs, which is great. You have a garage in there, which is not ready yet, but as we walk upstairs, every unit that we have seen so far has different color cabinets and color throughout the house. I really liked how they made this house pop with the colors of white, black, just darker and lighter together. This is beautiful. I like the fridge, and I believe you also get a great warranty from the manufacturer and the new builders. One feature I really like about this unit is it has right next to the sink, so whenever you're washing your hands, you're always gonna have some type of view and sun coming in. For this specific property, they have the patio, just like the last one that we saw on the second floor. So we already seen 1 bedroom and 1 full bath and shower. In the middle, you have another bathroom. And as we go upstairs to the third and final floor, you have another closet area right here with, let's see, is this the master? Yes, I believe this is the master bedroom. Beautiful light fixture with the rug. Really makes it feel very homey. You have an area where you can put your couch. If you're interested in that, you do have sunlight coming in to your property with potential TV that can come out. And then you do have a great vanity, dual sinks, his and hers, brand new shower. I love the color that they chose. Another area where you can store, bathroom, and an area where is your own closet, walk-in closet. Plenty of space for at least a couple that's gonna be living in the master. Let me show you the other bedroom, and you have the washer and dryer in unit. And then this bedroom is currently staged as a gym, which is beautiful. I love going to the gym. You have another area here where you can do some work. So you can turn this into an office and a full gym. And as I mentioned before, you do get solar with properties from what I'm understanding. This is another bathroom and shower coming in with the bedroom. And as you can see, there's still units being built, but this is the 3 plans that are currently available for sale here in Mira Mesa. They all come in 3 to 4 bedrooms. So I just showed you all the townhouses here, all the models, but I want to show you also the rec center here, and it's spectacular. It has a huge pool for all the residents, an amazing gym that looks just like Fit and Equinox, and also a hot tub. I'm gonna do a quick video tour around in this area, so let's check it out. you are interested in moving to the Shea Homes collection here in Mira Mesa, please feel free to let me know in the description below. You're gonna have all of my contact information. I'm gonna also leave all of the builder information of this collection. If you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out to me. And until then, до свидания.